Hello and welcome to this presentation demonstrating how to install AutoDoc HSE. Firstly, you can download the AutoDoc HSE installation from our website by registering here under the product menu and trial downloads. And you just enter your name here and your email address. And if you'd like to receive product updates, check this checkbox. Otherwise, just click on the Start Download button to start the process and the download trial link. Now save the file somewhere convenient, such as your desktop. And wait for the download to complete. Okay, the download has completed, so we'll open it up. Now the download is a compressed zip file, so what we're looking at here is the executable file that's being compressed. Now before we go on, there's an important point to be made here. Regardless of whether you want to use AutoDoc HSE as a single user or in a network environment with multiple users, you only need to install this application once. If you're going to use it as a single user, just install it on the machine on which you'll be using it. If you're going to use it in a server environment, just install it once on the server. Once it's installed and run, the application itself will create a virtual shared network printer, and once this has been completed, you can install this network printer onto the other users' workstations just by using the standard Windows Add Printer functionality. So you don't install this application more than once in a server environment. You do install the shared printer that it creates onto other users' machines. Okay, so if we run this executable by double-clicking, we'll be on our way. So we choose to run. And the AutoDoc HSE application has a typical installation wizard. You choose your preferred language or accept the default. And we do recommend that you close your other windows before continuing. And next. Okay, please read the license agreement. And once you've done that, choose to accept or not accept and continue. And this is the default location for the installation of the software. We recommend you accept it unless you have reasons for choosing a different location. And this is the default start menu location for the program shortcuts, and we'll accept the default again. Now, in addition to the start menu items, you can optionally add a desktop icon and a quick launch icon. The desktop icon will appear over here somewhere, and the quick launch icon will appear down here in your quick launch bar. We'll accept both. Okay, so these are the installation options we've chosen. Once you've reviewed these and are happy with them, click the install button to continue. And the installation will take anywhere between 30 seconds and 2 minutes, depending on your environment. Okay, it's just about to finish. Winding up now. And here we are at the final screen of the installation wizard. Now these last two checkboxes are to specify that you want to open the AutoDoc HSE documentation. We won't do that here, but we will leave this one checked so that the application opens now. Now on the first time you open the application, AutoDoc will create a virtual printer and you'll receive notification that this has happened. This is the files copying across for the printer now. And there's the notification to say that the virtual printer has been installed. So the application is open here. And this prompt is telling us that the software hasn't been registered yet. What this means is that the outputs that AutoDoc HSE produces in this state will include superimposed watermarks. If you want to get rid of these watermarks, you can register for a free 30-day trial license or purchase a full license. There's another presentation available from our website which demonstrates the process of registering for a trial license. So that's it. The application is now installed. There are several more steps you need to make in order to be able to use the system effectively, but these are covered in the Quick Start Guide, which we strongly recommend you use to familiarise yourself with the system. And you can find the Quick Start Guide here in the Help area by clicking on this button here. Now, the basics that are covered in the Quick Start Guide are also covered in the presentation on AutoDoc's initial configuration. Thanks again for your interest.